June 23. 1st June 23. 1/6/2023.
1/6/23.
Please. But paragraph 3 of that page 109, if Lordships permit me to just read.
Yes.
I have narrated in what circumstances that suit was filed, which according to me is the link between the present case and that.
Page?
109.
109. All right.
Para 3. It is
Para?
3. Para 3.
Yes, sir.
It is submitted that recently defendant number 88 sent a fake and morphed photograph to plaintiff through WhatsApp from mobile number so and so to plaintiff's WhatsApp photo of some unidentified random woman. Defendant number 88 threatened the plaintiff that he has created morphed photograph of plaintiff with some random woman, and similarly he would further create, release and circulate fake morphed photographs and videos of the plaintiff with some random woman, and would ensure the plaintiff's reputation and his family reputation, including plaintiff's political career, would be damaged by circulating such fake morphed photographs in print, electronic and social media platforms. The defendant number 88 threatened that he would go to any extent to damage plaintiff's reputation and his family reputation, and that he would release the fake and morphed photographs in video, in print and electronic media if he does not agree to his illegal demands. Defendant number 88 is one Mr. Karthik. I'll just.
Defendant 88.
He is the.
So this paragraph is dedicated to 88.
88. This person.
Yes.
I must bring to Lordship's notice the relationship of the petitioner with him. He was the erstwhile estranged driver of the petitioner who left the job.
Driver also becomes
estranged because of some animosity that he states. He left. Now, this injunction suit, of course, the trial court was pleased to grant an injunction restraining all the defendants therein to release the photographs, etc. There was an order of injunction, which Lordships will get it at
page
93.
Injunction is at 93?
Please. It is in force even today.
Yes.
Now, apart from this suit, on 23rd of April 2024, just before the Lok Sabha elections,
yes,
a complaint was filed by the election agent of the petitioner before the Holenarsipura police station. Making 4 persons as accused therein for an offence under section 67A, that's 66E. Say,
where do I get that?
But that Lordships will get it at page 118. FIR is at page 118. The complaint, Lords, is at page 121. There also Lordships will kindly see the Naveen Karthik and Party Madila. There also, Lords, the Karthik is arrayed, shown as accused number 1.
Who is the complainant here?
Ali Purna Chandra Andre, he is my election agent.
Your election
agent. Naveen Gowda, Lord, the others are there. Karthik, Lordships will find in that complaint at page 121.
Oh, Karthik is not the accused.
First our name madidare.
Next page alli Naveen Gowda antide.
Naveen Gowda and others antam accused.
Oh, sorry.
Naveen Gowda and others, but complaint 121 Lordships.
Complaint alli is there.
Oh, is there.
But
our melu accused madidare.
Later added.
Here madidare. This is the background, my lords, in which we proceeded. Now, my lords, the next event is important. Elections were to be, polling was to be held on 26th of April 2024.
No, by the time this complaint, polling had already been over.
This is 23rd.
23rd May.
23rd April.
Registered on what date? Or 23/4.
4.
Yes, yes.
In this background, my lords.
Now, why did you register?
One of the reasons, my lord, by that time, in the town of Hassan and other places, photographs or videos showing the photographs and videos of some women alleged to be with me were being circulated
In Hole Narsipur.
in Hassan.
All right.
That was the background words in with this complaint.
So this was because of the apprehension.
Yes, yes. That my case was that this my photographs, my pictures were morphed, or even those videos or photographs which did not contain my photographs, a false accusation was being made that I was in the company of these women. It was in this background, my lord, I
You were
apprehended
in the company of?
some women.
Wow.
Some. Now, my lords, this was the background: injunction suit, private complaint. 26th, my lord, as I was mentioning before, your lordships, was the date of polling.
Date of polling.
25th, lordships may kindly see, the prosecutrix, along with her daughter, proceeds to Bangalore and, my lords, gives a television interview. She does not go anywhere else. She goes to the television channel and she gives a television interview in the.
Was there a complaint registered already against?
No, nothing, nothing. She for the first time goes to Bangalore from Hole Narsipura and gives an interview. In that interview, my lord, even according to her, it is part of her statement. She alleges that there has been some sexual harassment by accused number 1 and accused number 2.
In the TV interview.
In the television interview.
All right.
She does not state anything about 376. That is, lordships may kindly note that. After 25th, my lord, which she records in Bangalore, she says, according to her first information report, first information which she has lodged, which now I'll read before you. In the company of.
When was the FIR registered?
Adadmele 20
Interview ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
interview ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಅವತ್ತೇ.
ಅವತ್ತಲ್ಲ, next day, after 2 days, next day she says she met one Parvati, a local person who was her friend. And on 28th, they make a phone call to Hole Narsipura police station from Bangalore. A station house officer comes to Bangalore to record that statement. Now, my lord, lordships may kindly see that statement, which is at page 18.
18.
This is recorded on 28th.
18. Yes, sir.
Lord, there are no, according to me, much.
No, this is against the father and the son.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ.
Both. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ, actually practically there is nothing. But Lord, this statement which I am going to read does not have any explicitives which is disturbing, so that lordships will permit me to read.
Yes.
Wherever I feel, Lord, it is not required, I would request. But this forms the foundation of the prosecution case, so lordships may permit me to read the entire thing.
Entire thing.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಜಿ 2 pages ಇದೆ. lordships may permit me to. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಹೊಳೆ ನರಸೀಪುರ ಟೌನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪತಿ ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿದಿರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lordships may permit me to just read this one. May I request lordships to permit me to read from the sentence, lords, ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ, lordships, third sentence. In fact, this reading of this
ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಅದ
ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಲಿನ ಡೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ BCM ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಕೆ SSLC ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಪತ್ನಿ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋದರತ್ತೆ ಮಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ 2013ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಆಗಾಗ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ನಾನು 2018ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ಅವರ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅದಾಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪುತ್ರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರ ಮದುವೆ ಸಂಬಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. That is the first time when she comes in contact in the year 2019. That is 4 years after 2015. Then lords, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ so and so ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಠಡಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ so and so ಅಲ್ಲಿ there one or two sentences lordship may kindly see. ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Lordship may kindly read it. It's nothing but, but still no. ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ all that she says. Yeah. Yes. Lordships have seen all those things.
No, I have read, sorry.
Lordships have read it.
Yes.
Then lords, ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು.
First part.
I have seen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ I have seen this. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I said I have read. Yes.
See the statement.
That's what,
Yes, I'm sorry. Lords, now last paragraph in that page 19. But this one other statement I have to read. No, I'm sorry. I had marked here therefore.
She speaks about the television interview as well.
Yes. No,
Yes.
he also says video call. The page 18 last sentence. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ. She says video call at the last sentence.
One clarification.
Please.
You are under 439 of the sun.
Yes, correct.
Of the sun, right? Now, all these factors apart, do you deny the happenings?
Of course, as a
No, any amount of digression or beating around, ultimately the crux comes to the issue whether it has happened or not.
No, but I cannot.
One minute. And these factors, what you say, that it may be to wreak vengeance or to old things have brought up or whatever. The acts having happened is under section 66, that is the offense.
May I, my lords, put it across in this manner?
Yes.
Obviously, appearing for the accused, I know I only have to say this. If I have to assume something against myself, I'll put it across in this
All
way,
right.
rather. If I have to assume what they have said is to be true, which obviously we don't concede, yet no offense is made out. For this reason,
Seriously.
I'll explain. I'll explain. In this manner, I'll explain in this manner.
All right.
Assuming that there was an act, there is nothing to suggest at all that it was against the will or consent. That is one of the way, Lord, I want to put it across before the Lordships. That is one aspect of the matter. There is nothing to suggest even.
So according to you, they were consensual acts.
Assuming, Lords, that this act is true. Ultimately, FSL report doesn't match today. That is what I wanted to bring.
What
FSL report, Lord, does not match that video at all. The FSL report says that mobile phone, which is supposed to record this, does not, that video cannot be ascertained. It cannot be said that as genuine. That is the FSL report, which I thought, I'll read.
All right.
But before that, Lordships may kindly see as to why I say, Lords, that assuming that even if this act has taken place, it cannot be construed as forcible. The reason is this. The reason is not two factors which I will bring to Lordship's notice. Only in order, Lord, without meaning any other, without suggesting anything else about the credibility of the complaint itself, particularly alleging 376. I'm only on that. Lordships may permit me to just complete this narration at page 19. I wanted to bring to Lordship's notice one other background. It was not about just animosity, etc. The circumstances which will show, my lords, that there could not have been 376 at all. Page 19, Lordships may kindly see. First sentence, ಆದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೆದರಿಕೊಂಡ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. ನಾನು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಒತ್ತಡಗಳಿಂದ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕೋಪಗೊಂಡ ಅವರು ನಾನು ವಾಸವಿದ್ದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿಸಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಒಡವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, Lordships may kindly see, in 2021, she says, ಹೊಳೆನರಸೀಪುರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ದೂರು ನೀಡಲು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವರು ದೂರು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಹಾಸನ್ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗೂ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆವು. ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ HD Revanna so and so. Therefore, Lord, the only reason what I emphasized on this is this story being built up now that I was scared of these people. Therefore, I did not make any allegation against them insofar as 376 or 354 day is concerned. my lords, may not meet with this version. It's not that she did not have any grievance or she did not go to the authorities earlier. She did go to the authorities in the year 2021. She went to the police station, she went to the deputy commissioner, made allegations against us about illegally removing her from her house, Achraya house. Therefore, my lord, this is something which my lords may kindly my lord, take note of. Then, my lords, the statement made against me is in the last paragraph.
Yes. That begins some ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆ ದೂರ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Yes. Now, then, my lords, idralli why she now gives a complaint on this day, there is no explanation whatsoever according to me. Whatever is there, my lord, lordships will get it at the last paragraph. This is all she says.
Yes, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, it starts from ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಇವರು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನ್ನಲಾದ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆಯು ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಚನ್ನರಾಯಪಟ್ಟಣ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದರ್ಜನ ನಡೆಸಿರುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ, ಆತಂಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಘಾತವಾಯಿತು. ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡ ಆತಂಕಾಗಿ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಶೀಲವನ್ನು ಶಂಕಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ನಿನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗತಿ ಏನು, ನೀನು ಕೂಡ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಇದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ನನ್ನ ಪತಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲೇ ಬಂದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಶಯ ಹಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಸಾರವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗಾದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ, ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಿರುಕುಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸುದ್ದಿವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ, ಕಿರುಕುಳ, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯನ್ನು ದೂರನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯಸ್ಥರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗಂದ್ರೆ ಗಣೀಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಈ ದೂರವನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದೆ.
Yes.
But I just want to pause here. Couple of things lordships may kindly note from this statement. She is related to the wife, my mother rather. She was, my lords, employed by my father. Rather, my lord, he had secured her a job. 4 years ago, in 2015, she comes in contact. 2018 onwards, she has been working in our house.
This is the only complainant?
She's the only one.
In the entire episode, she is the only lady.
She is the only one. This is all the foundation. Now I'll show before something else. But what is important is there is no allegation against me. Therefore, I took it. There is no allegation at this stage against me at all. The allegation is against my father about sexual harassment. No 376. She says, why, I mean, practically, my lord, there is no explanation why from 2020, even against my father, or some suggestion against me, there is nothing directly. Why did you take 4 long years? No explanation. She only says,